Wowza ClearCaster 1080 live streaming appliance brings broadcast quality live streams to Facebook and the Wowza streaming cloud with enterprise class reliability and features for less than $3,000. This week's Videoguys product spotlight is on the Wowza ClearCaster 1080. The Wowza ClearCaster 1080 is the only way to broadcast crystal clear 1080p to any page on Facebook Live. And now with added support to Wowza Streaming Cloud, you can also simulcast to other CDNs including Twitch, YouTube, and more. The Wowza ClearCaster 1080 is a purpose-built social media hardware encoder in a rack-mountable unit with 12G SDI input, remote manager, and frame-accurate starts for a professional production. The ClearCaster Manager allows you to remotely manage your appliance from any web browser to configure events, start and stop live streams, monitor stream health, manage talent view options, and more. All with bulletproof reliability and redundancy, the ClearCaster 1080 always ensures the most reliable broadcasts. ClearCaster's unique Talent View feature allows your talent to engage with your Facebook Live audience in real time to see and respond to Facebook reactions and to create a compelling social media broadcast. To find out more about the Wowza ClearCaster 1080 and all of our products, visit Videoguys.com.
Videoguys is available Monday through Friday. Give us a call at 1-800-323-2325. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter to stay connected with all of our updates. And you can like us on Facebook. Keep an eye out for our live videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching!